Meet Resilience, a Mars rover determined to live up to his name. Rez was built to explore Mars. He was not built to have human emotions. But as he learns new things from the NASA scientists who assembled him, he begins to develop human-like feelings. Maybe there's a problem with his program. Human emotions or not, launch day comes, and Rez blasts off to Mars, accompanied by a friendly drone helicopter named Fly. But Rez quickly discovers that Mars is a dangerous place filled with dust storms and giant cliffs. As he navigates Mars's difficult landscape, Rez is tested in ways that go beyond space exploration. As millions of people back on Earth follow his progress, will Rez have the determination, courage, and resilience to succeed and survive? Find out in A Rover Story by Jasmine Warder. 2024-25 Texas Bluebonnet Award nominee.